Macro-Pact Amusement Equipment Company Limited, established in 2013, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of kids excavator, kids crane, mini construction machinery, amusement equipment. Now, the product series covered children excavator, children crane, children gantry crane, children bulldozer, children fishing game, and mini bowling game machines. We are located in Jining City, which is one of the biggest construction machinery industry bases in China. It covers about 10,000 square meters and has about 35 workers. With our professional technical and designer team, we can offer custom-made construction theme park or other supporting products, which let the clients easily get high investment return from the popular trends. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We have more than 40 product patents and other certificates. Our products have passed UDEM certificate. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, America, Japan, Southeast Asia, Hong Kong of China. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We warmly and sincerely welcome you visit our factory and have a cordial working relationship.